Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today is the special Anantha Padmanabha's Chaturdasi. So let's get started into the video. This is the Panchamrutam, fruit Panchamrutam. So let's get started into the video. How to recreate this. So these are the ingredients to necessary to create Panchamrutam fruit curd salad. So first of all, take fruits, any fruits you have. So next, curd, milk, ghee, sugar and honey. These are ingredients to necessary to create panchamrutam without fruits. I create this with fruits, so I take these fruits, pomegranate and apple. So now the process starts. It's very easy. Now take an empty bowl, take curd and pour into that empty bowl. I take one big bowl of curd and one small bowl of milk. Mix together and add ghee 2 spoons on that. And now add sugar 3 spoons on that. So now lastly take an honey and add 2 or 3 spoons. Okay, now mix all ingredients together well. Okay, now take any fruits. I take these 2 fruits, apple and pomegranate, and mix into that consistency. Now mix proper well. So completed, very simple and easy fruit salad with curd. So now serve it. Now it's the tasting time. Now I tasted it. So this is the prasad, so I like that before taking any prasadam. I hope you are all like this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. This is very healthy recipe. You're gonna try this. Bye. Keep rocking. We'll see next video.